Okay, this diagram here is the picture of the base of the Chase Tower, where this triangle is not actually part of the base. And you notice that it says that we're charging 50 cents per square yard of surface area, and they're not cleaning the roof. So we could convert everything to yards right now by dividing all these feet measurements by 3, which is what I did. You could also find the total surface area in terms of square feet and then divide by a conversion factor that would convert to square yards. So there's your diagram of the base. Here's what the tower looks like, where all the dimensions of the base have been converted to yards, including the height. 1,002 feet is 334 yards. One way to find the surface area is to find the surface area of each face, which are rectangles, so length times width. But an easier way is to use the formula, the perimeter of the base times the height. That's what all these rectangles are. So for example, this face on the right is a rectangle. It has a height of 334 and width of 40. 40 times 334. Well, we do that for every one of these dimensions along the base, multiplied by 334. So if we find the perimeter and multiply by 334, we'll have the lateral surface area, square yards. Now, where did I get that 20 radical to? Well, this is a 45-45 right triangle. And in a 45-45 right triangle, hypotenuse is the square root of 2 times one of the legs. That's where this 20 radical 2 came from. So there's an expression for the lateral surface area. We still have to find the area of the base because apparently they're going to clean the base too. And so the easiest way to do that is to find the area of the big square, which is 40 by 40, and subtract the area of this little triangle. And the 20 by 20 will be the base and the height. So 1/2 the base times the height will give us the area of that little triangle. That's what this is right here. So 40 times 40, 1600 minus 200 is 1400. That's the area of the base in square yards. So the total surface area is the area of the base plus the lateral surface area. And we want to multiply that by 50 cents. It's 50 cents or $0.5 per yard squared. And this expression in brackets is yards squared. So these cancel out. So we will indeed have dollars if we multiply by $0.5 per square yard. And here's the answer right here, which I did on the calculator. Now you could do intermediate calculations, distribute the 334, add the 1400 to that first term. But this just shows it all without doing intermediate calculations. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.